Right now, we're talking about factors and multiples, including an HCF, highest common factor, and LCM, lowest common factors. Um, Factors, for you to understand factors or what factors mean or multiples really means, it's very important to know your multiplication table. Very, very important. Asking me, how do I know factors of 40? How do I know factors of 30? How do I know factors of 20? Hello, you have to go back to your multiplication table, especially if you can get 2 to 12, you're okay. Just 2 to 12, you're okay. If you want to be good in mathematics, that is the secret, that is the basics. These are the basics also, but the major work you have to do is multiplication table. So before you start this class, I urge you, sit down, go through your multiplication table, get used to it every day, every morning. By probably the next 2 weeks, if you're doing it every morning, 2 weeks time, you get perfect with it. So let's move on to it. Now factors. Now factors, if you have 40, factors of 40 here are 1 times 40, 2 times 20, 3 times 10, 5 times 8. Now all these are factors of 40. If I want to bring them out, I'll have 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. Factors are numbers that can divide another number without a remainder. That is how factors are. So all these are factors and they are all divisible by 40. So take note of that. Now very fast, I'll go to prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are divisible by 1 and itself. Prime numbers are numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself. So it has two factors. So prime numbers we have here are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on. 23 too is a prime number as well, and so on and so forth. Because it's divisible by 1 and itself only. Now expressing numbers in prime using prime factors. Now what to express numbers in prime factors? I'll just have 15. Now what can divide here is 3. 3 can divide here, so I have 5. I have 5, I'll have 1. So I'll have 15 is equals to 3 times 5. That is expressing it in prime factors. Example 2, 42. If I want to express 42, I will have 2 here will give me 21. Then I will use 3 here will give me 7. 7 will give me 1. So my 42 will be equals to 2 times 3 times 7. That is expressing them in its prime factors. Now, express them in its index form. Index form is just why we use index form, because most times the prime factors are repeated constantly. So we use index form to make it a bit shorter for us so we can make it simplified. So I have 2 here, we'll have 12, 2 here, we'll have 6, 2 here, we'll have 3, 3 here, we'll have 1. So if I want to express this now, you take this up a bit. I have 3 here, 3 here, 1. So if I want to express 24 now, is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. These are actually how I have expressed this using prime numbers or prime factors, but because we are using index form and we have 2 3s, we have 3 2s, we will put 2 raised to the power 3 times 3. See how simplified it is. Very simple and very short. We don't have any issue. Straightforward. Next up, we have 6, 6, 5, 6, 7, 5. So I want to express 6, 7, 5 as index form. So I will start with 3 here. 3 can divide this. I will have 2, 2, 5. Also, 3 cannot divide this man. So I will have 3 here will give me 21 is 7, carry 1. So I have 5 here. 3 here will give me 25. I guess that's 25 years. So if I divide this, I will have 5 here will give me 5. 5 here will give me 1. So if I want to express this in index form, it now becomes 6, 6, 7, 5 is equals to 1, 2, 3. There are 3 there. 3 is equal to 3 times 5 is equal to 2. So index form is as simple as this. Now, next up, we'll talk about common factors. Common factors here, compare them with when you have as much numbers as possible, you're going to have common factors relating to each other. Now, for example, we have 28, 42, and 70. They're asking us what are the common factors in 28. Factors that are in 28, that are also in 42, that are also in 70, that are referred as common factors. Numbers that can divide these three numbers simultaneously. So, to get common factors, 2 here, if you check where 2 times 2 times 7 give 28, 2 times 3 times 7 give 42, 2 times 5 times 7 give you 70. So check very well here, this 2 is common here, and this 7 is common. Now this will lead us to what we call highest common factor. So I will get that to our next class for highest common factor, but these are how we relate to common factors. Okay.